little less fuss. That means great prices on thousands of gifts. And they're all in our new Christmas catalogue. Wrap up a great value Christmas at Argos.
The challenges are much tougher. But other celebrities are threats.
What are you doing?
Jack
Yeah.
Celebrity Adrenaline Junkie, Wednesday at 9 on ITV2.
That one might do a put.
I did it again. I play with your heart.
It's sweeping around.
Got lost in the game.
Welcome to the Coffin Warehouse.
Hey, welcome back to the X Factor. We are celebrating the music of Michael Jackson tonight, and the whole studio is encased in a massive oxygen tent. Just in case. Next out to really the good, clean air of the stage, the second of the boys, and Simon.
Thank you, Dermot. Gimmick free, no polar bears, it's Austin.
Faultless walker, perfect song.
Terrific performance.
Austin.
Last Saturday's performance was just absolutely amazing. I mean, terrifying, but absolutely brilliant.
That, for you, was 60%, but I know there's a ton left in reserve.
I was sort of half pleased with my performance and sort of half not.